Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I am your host, Larry, and today we're checking out Flute Music Bot for Discord. It's a bot, and it plays music. So, I mean, there's not really a whole lot to say about it. If you want to add it to your server, all you have to do is go to your server settings, go to your app directory, and then look up Flute Music. And here you can see it's running on 6.5K servers, and it supports, well, it's set on the other page. It supports Spotify, SoundCloud, and more for its music sources. And then I also know from some testing that out of the box it supports YouTube as well, which might get them into some trouble later on down the road. So all you gotta do to add them to your server is click on the blue add button, which will then ask you what server you want to put it on. I just put it on my test server. And then to listen to it and see how it performs, I'm just going to jump into a channel with it and then tell it to play some music. So the first thing I always do with any bot is I use the help command to get a feel for what does the bot do. And in this case, if you want more information about any one of these different commands, you type /help, space the command, and it'll tell you more information about what it does. Like, what does add similar do? So we'll type in /help, add similar. And it sounds like when you use add similar, it just uses the genre information for a particular song to add another random song from that genre. So that makes sense. And Flute is a pretty simplified bot. It doesn't do anything besides really play music. There's no utility commands to speak of. You can't like pull up somebody's profile picture. You can't pull up profile information. It doesn't auto-moderate, doesn't do any of that stuff. It looks like it just plays music, has 24-hour support, autoplay. You can change the prefix, which doesn't really matter anymore because everything's moving towards /commands anyway to make Discord happy. And it doesn't look like it has a DJ mode either. It pretty much just plays music and just has filters. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and play some music. So we'll start with Alan Walker Dreamer, as I usually do. I just have a list of NCS music.
Hello. So this song is
Oh wow, this is... Okay, well, it plays a different version of Dreamer than I'm normally used to. It plays the official video. So does this default to playing this off of YouTube? Looks like it wants me to join their Discord if I click on this link here. But it definitely sounds like it's defaulting to playing the music from YouTube rather than from Spotify or SoundCloud, which, if this gets picked up by enough servers, YouTube will send them a cease and desist. But let's just add some more music from NCS. We'll add Pleague's Home. And we'll also add Born Bonfire. Along with, Syntact Ego. And then we can check out how well the queue controls work. So it does show you what is currently playing in the queue. And then it also shows you what's coming up next, which is nice. That don't really have anything else I can do with the queue information right now, as this doesn't have any type of playlist support, so I can't add this to a playlist, but I could skip. I could skip to the next song in the list. So it would skip to playing Pleague, Home, or I could skip it again, and we could go all the way down to Bonfire from Born. So the skip controls work pretty well. And then I can pause either by typing in the command pause, or I can just hit the pause button in the little video controls, which pop up underneath of the now playing. And it looks like the now playing window follows you and deletes the old message. So this window will always be somewhere near the bottom of your music command queue, whereas like in other bots, you'll see it kind of decorating up here somewhere. That's kind of interesting. And then at any time, I can loop the song, use this to skip. It even has previous powers, actually, which you don't see from a lot of bots either. A lot of bots, once you start playing the next song, that's it. You don't get to go back. It just forgets whatever you were playing. And then when you're done, you can just hit the stop button, and it'll stop the bot. Now, that's also something interesting, is some bots, when you stop them, will immediately exit the channel and stop playing. Like, they clear the queue history, and they leave, and that's it. You're done until you give it another command. So what is the command to get the bot to leave the channel if I don't want it in there AFK? So it looks like I can tell it to /leave. I can also move the bot to another channel. It has rewind functions on the current song, and you can also remove duplicates. That's always nice. And then, just for the sake of argument, let me go to YouTube and let me pull up NCS's music channel. And for those who are always curious about why I use NCS, it's because it's called No Copyright Sounds, and YouTube doesn't give me complaints about copyright when I use it. So that's really the whole reason. Let's grab whatever this song is. It's called Oski, Stay the Night. So let's type /play space the song and put in a YouTube link. Okay, so that does confirm that the version of the music played, well, at least this version of the music played, is from YouTube. So hopefully, at some point, Flute removes that functionality from their bot and focuses just on Spotify, SoundCloud, Apple Music, and the other ones, because YouTube is looking out for bots that are playing from YouTube. Same with Discord. Discord will also get mad at you for doing this and kick your bot off the platform if you're not careful. It is causing legal problems for both Discord and for other bot creators, so be very careful about having YouTube capabilities in your bots, especially now that you've got 6.5 or something thousand servers that are using this bot. That is enough music use that YouTube will take notice and will send a cease and desist to the creators of this. In fact, it has an about. So for Shahid and Summit, be very careful. This could definitely get you in trouble with the people over at YouTube. Otherwise, it plays music. The music sounds fine. It just plays music. There's no frills or thrills. You can presumably pay for premium or vote for it to use the filters, or they might even be completely free. I'm not sure. Let's play some music. Let's play Alan Walker's Dreamer again. And then let's put in... They have Vaporwave, so let's do Vaporwave. And then I will type in Vaporwave. /filter Vaporwave. Okay, so it doesn't look like you need to pay for it at all. It's just free out of the box. In which case, you can play around with every part of this bot, and you don't need to do anything. There's no premium or voting or nothing. You can just pop it open and go to town. So this is Flute. Check it out for yourselves. You can just go to the app directory and look for Flute Music, and you'll be able to find it. It's the logo with the big F. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.